coconut gives it a nice, delicate flavor. That fish is like melting in my mouth. It's cooked perfectly. We're gonna cut up our fish for our stew. This is rockfish. You can use tilapia, catfish, basa, halibut if you want. Whatever fish you want for this. Just try and make sure that it's not strong and fishy in flavor, okay? So we're gonna cut it in cubes this size about. We're gonna zest some lime into our fish. When you're zesting any citrus, make sure you only do the peel, okay? That white part there is bitter. So now we're gonna squeeze 2 limes in here. We're gonna add salt. And we're gonna mix it and just let it sit. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in this pan. We're going to add a medium onion. You can use white, yellow, even red onion for this if you'd like. And it is minced. And we're just gonna let this cook for, I don't know, 6-7 minutes until the onion is opaque. I'm gonna add just a little bit more oil. And now I'm going to add 4 garlic cloves, which I minced, and half a jalapeno, which I chopped very finely. Jalapeno optional. And we're gonna let this cook for a couple minutes until we can smell the garlic. So I'm gonna add a little oil in the middle here, and I'm gonna add a teaspoon of cumin and 2 teaspoons of paprika. We're gonna make sure that cooks, like for a minute. I'm going to add, about a half cup of diced bell pepper and another half cup of diced carrot. This can be red, green, yellow, whatever color bell pepper. And I'm going to add a cup and a half of chopped fresh tomatoes. We don't have to have exact amounts because we're not baking. I'm gonna add about a cup of chicken stock to this. This is homemade. If you have fish stock, that would work better. We're going to add a tablespoon of tomato paste. And just make sure that gets mixed in. And now we're gonna add a 14-ounce can of coconut milk. That is 403 milliliters. Coconut oil, milk always gets hard like that on top. We're gonna dissolve that. Once this is all mixed in, we're gonna let this simmer for about 10 minutes until the carrot softens a bit. I am purposefully not adding any salt until I add the fish, and then we will taste it. Now we're gonna add our fish. I'm just gonna dump the fish in here. We want that lime juice, so we're gonna use it. We're gonna let this get back to simmering, and we're gonna simmer it for about 6 minutes. And then we'll eat. If the fish were thicker, it might take a little longer. I'm gonna taste it to see if it needs salt. No, we do not, it's perfect. I will, however, add some pepper. All right, this, my friends, is cooked. I'm gonna serve it now. So I'm gonna top it with a little chopped cilantro. You can use parsley or scallion if you would prefer. And I'm going to put some more lime in there. So this goes really nice with white rice if you want to serve it with white rice on the side. I hope you try this. It's really, really good.